Oh my goodness. Welcome in, friends. It's an absolute pleasure to be here with you. Thank you so much for joining up. And if you're new, it's just, oh my goodness, I'm glad you're along for the ride. Right here, I have an extremely special project share created by my friend and student, Tanya Thomas. I am overly grateful today to be able to share this with you. I believe she used the Alice in Wonderland Echo Park paper collection. Absolute beautiful array and cluster there of flowers and some leaves. And then she got a little cut apart right there. And I believe she mixed another paper pad as well. So she put a nice eyelet right here on the spine. And we've got, look at this cute little charm right there. She made a cute tassel as well as putting on a little lock here. And I just love it so much. Oh my goodness, Tanya, thank you again so much for taking the time to allow me to share this with our friends and everyone out there who can find some inspiration from your beautiful work of art. Oh my goodness, let's look inside. Right here, you'll see a beautiful pocket on the front and side cover. And we got an awesome fun insert. If you were interested in the tutorial design for this book, I'll leave it down in the description. Now we got a magnetic closure here, and look how she did that. Beautiful. It's also a booklet as well. I love your stickers. Oh my gosh. Love the placement. Love the matting. And I love how these are actually little popped up elements as well. They got a little bit of dimension to them. Oh my goodness, those flowers are so cute. Right there's Alice. Look at all these hats. This paper is way too cute. She fussy cut around one of these stickers, I believe, and backed it on some black cardstock right there. And look at this. Cute little 2x2 photo spaces for you right there. This is something you can do. And I love this tag. It's got some texture on it as well. Tanya, this is just so awesome. Okay, look at this magnetic little closure clip. I mean, you can attach like another cute something on here. Look at that 4x4 space, 4x6 space, no cropping necessary for these. And a nice little flip pocket. Just an additional little thing. OMG. This is way too cool. She's got Alice right there that actually looks like a cute little playing card or something, and then some more little elements here. And she left this open so you can stick a picture behind. Beautiful space for a nice large photo right there. Wow, this is so much fun to go through this. I just love this cut apart right here and this wonderful gatefold page. 5 spots for pictures right here. Oh my gosh, the popped up cat. What a great idea to put a cut apart right here over 2 picture mats. I never thought to do that. That is just so awesome because you could tuck your photos right behind. A nice little extra flip page right here. And I love him. Oh my goodness. We got 2 more picture spots, of course. And wow, an on-page pocket right here. 5x7, no cropping. Little mat right there for you. And you can stick whatever more you want in this pocket. Gosh, Tanya, you have just... Look at this beautiful... Wow, I love that butterfly cutout. That is just gorgeous. Goes perfect with this page. Every adventure requires a first step. Is that not the truth? Look at this. Oh my goodness. In love. Beautiful job on your angles, Tanya. That is just wonderful. Ooh, she decided to keep these nice and straight. Love that pocket. We got a beautiful acetate envelope scenario going right here. And you can put whatever you want in here. She decided to put... Ooh, she glued some things down. That is so cute. I've never seen that before. Little cut aparts glued down. And another little clippy. That... Okay, if that's not satisfying, I don't know what is. This is awesome. Oh my goodness, look at all the fun right here. More picture spots. Alice is right there. Beautiful blue page. Love the stripes and the cute little guys here. And again, another little clippy. She adhered this cut apart onto the design paper herself. She customized the design paper within... Oh my gosh. I've never seen that. I'm going to need to try that myself. Something so simple. Look at this. She just attached these right on and they're flaps. And another little fun little clip. Perfect picture spot right there. And it almost looks like he's wearing the hat a little bit right there. That's adorable. Another on-page pocket here for 5x7 pictures again. I like how she decided not to do the camera stamp because if you know you're just gonna run along with it and stick your pictures in it, no need to put the camera stamp on there. Wow, I love where she put these 2x2 spots right on this nice flap. And then you got some more picture space right up here and down here. Beautiful. Another 2x2 spot and a little tuck flap. Oh my gosh, I love the little rhinestone little pieces. What are those actually? Those look like little drips or something. That is too cool. Oh my goodness, this is just awesome. Wow, Tanya, you are just such a wonderful artist. There is always time for some tea. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna go have some right now. Again, right here on the back, she adhered her picture mat. That is super smart. I love her customization. You can fly away with these design projects. This was beautiful to look through. Again, Tanya, thank you so much for allowing me to share this with everyone. And if you wanted to see the other style of this book, this design is the Today mini album, and I'll leave that playing up next. I'm giving you a great big hug, Tanya. Thank you so much. You're just terrific. This was a pleasure to look through. Wishing everyone a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.